Oh my gosh. Look at what Joel Armstrong called Deviation Man. He said, mind your, mind your business, you amazing lemonade maker. Oh my gosh. Calling someone a lemonade maker is rude. How dare you call him that? How dare you call Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker? That is so rude to say. Joel Armstrong? How how did you call how 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 did you call Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker? That is so rude. That's it. I'm telling Gaming Master Shining Star goes cutie on you soon. Because you just called Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker. That is so rude to say. How dare you call him that? That is so rude and disrespectful. Look at what I just typed. I said don't be rude. And I also typed he does not make lemonade, and how dare you call him that? That's it. I'm telling Gaming Master on you soon. Joel Armstrong, how dare you call Deviation Man a lemonade maker? That is so rude to say. Calling someone a lemonade maker is rude and disrespectful. How dare you call him that? That's it. I am telling Gaming Master on you soon, because you just called Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker. How dare you call him that? You know that calling someone a lemonade maker is not nice. You know that that calling someone a lemonade maker is rude and disrespectful. Oh my gosh. Look at what Joel Armstrong did. Did you see this, guys? Joel Armstrong called Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker. Joel Armstrong, you're so rude. You're not allowed, Joel Armstrong, you're not allowed to call Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker. That is so rude to say. See, I'm telling Game Master on you soon. Because you just called Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker. See? Gaming Master hates you with the super flaming burning passion, and you're still a UTTP user. Because you just kept on bashing opinions on Lily Gets Grounded. And Joel Armstrong Joel Armstrong, you're still a UTTP user because you kept on bashing opinions on Lily Gets Grounded, and you spammed Gaming Master with 46 hearts. And you just made a killing video out of Gaming Master. I'm telling Joel Armstrong, I am telling Gaming Master on you. I am telling Gaming Master on you soon. Because you just called Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker. That is so rude. You're still a UTTP user, Joel Armstrong. You're still a UTTP user. That is so rude. Joel Armstrong, Joel Armstrong, you're still a UTTP user because you just kept on bashing opinions on Lily Gets Grounded, and you also spammed Gaming Master with hearts, and you also made a killing video out of Gaming Master. You know that killing someone's not nice. Oh my gosh. See, I just told Joel Armstrong, I just said to him, don't be rude. And I told Joel Armstrong he does not make lemonade. And how dare you call him that? That's it. I am telling Gaming Master on you soon. Joel Armstrong, you cannot call Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker. That is so rude. Well, that's my angry message to Joel Armstrong. Goodbye and have a great day, guys. And Joel Armstrong, I hope Gaming Master will make you an angry message for calling Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker. Yeah, that's not nice to call someone a lemonade maker. That is so rude and disrespectful. That is so rude, Joel Armstrong. Well, that is my angry message to Joel Armstrong for calling Dave the Asian Man a lemonade maker. Yeah, Joel Armstrong is disrespectful and rude. And Joel Armstrong also bashes opinions on Lily Gets Grounded. And Joel Armstrong is also rude for spamming Gaming Master with hearts. Well, that's my angry message to Joel Armstrong. So goodbye and have a great day. Have a great day, guys.